Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today. In Selvin Kitchen we have an awesome delicious recipe. What we're going to do today, we're going to do French fry chicken breast people. So we have 6 chicken breasts over here. We're already washed already. We already clean up. We have 3 eggs. We have half a cup of plain flour. This is the spice we're going to use to season up the chicken breast. So right there we have 1 teaspoon of chicken season. We have half a teaspoon of onion powder. We have 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. We have 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. So this is the smoked paprika what we use, people. We have 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Over here we got make the sauce for the chicken. So it's a barbecue chili sauce. We have some onion what we're gonna use. We have some ketchup. So in Selvin Kitchen today, people, French fry chicken breast. So alright guys, what we're gonna do now, people, we're just gonna slice the chicken breast in 2. Just gonna cut it right in 2. So these now I'm just gonna season up them. Slice them right in 2 like that, people. With a sharp knife, and just slice them right in 2. So try this recipe, people, at home. This is a very easy recipe. So I don't want to cut them up too big or too small. Just slice them up. See, I wash it with lemon. So you can wash your meat with lemon, or you can wash it with vinegar. It's up to you guys. Hi guys, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna season up this chicken breast. Just mix up the season, mix up the smoked paprika, the chicken season, the ginger, the garlic powder, and the salt. Just add some of it, people. So I'm gonna season up the flour as well. So when I'm gonna put in the chicken. Yes, people, French fried chicken breasts in Selvin Kitchen, people. Please share the video with your friends and family. In Selvin Kitchen, people, we're always doing something new. So that now, just gonna put that one side to marinate for around 20 minutes. So this is the flour. Let me wash my hand, people. So when you use chicken, I always wash my hand because salmonella. So I'm gonna use the same season what I use and season up the chicken breast to season up the flour. We use the rest of the season. Let's just mix that up. Mix up all of that season, people. So this is a half cup of flour. I know it's a little bit too much flour, but you have too much flour more than less flour. So I'm gonna leave the chicken over there to marinate for 20 minutes. Yes guys, and so what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna season up the chicken already. It's been marinated for the last 20 minutes. So I season up the flour. So we're gonna do now, we're just gonna put the chicken in the egg, and then we're gonna flour the chicken. So just put it in the egg like that, people. I'm gonna put one in the egg. So I put this one into the egg, dip it in the egg like that. We're drawing up all of that excess egg out of it, people. Then put in the flour. Just mix up the flour like that. I mean, if the flour gets stick on your hand, it's no problem. So when you do it, just give it a shake like that. You want to shake off all that excess flour off of it. Beautiful people, beautiful. Yes guys, look at that. That's the French fried chicken breast. Been cooking, so I'm just gonna give this one a little turn over. This people, what we're looking for is that brown, crispy color. You don't want to turn up your stove too high because you don't want them burn. Just give it a turn like that. Give it another 30 minutes on that side. Yes people, so this has been frying for the last 8 minutes. So I'm just gonna take out these one now. Yeah, just drain off the oil. Yes people, French fried chicken breast in Selvin Kitchen. So please give me a thumbs up for the video guys if you people like the video, and please share and like the video with your friends and family. Tell them about Selvin Kitchen because we're always doing something new. Look at that people, look at that, look at juicy and look at yummy that is. Oh my days, look at that people, that is beautiful. Beautiful. We're just gonna flour, put them in the egg here people. Yeah, nice and soak in the egg. You want the egg to right over that chicken, and then after you take it off, then you drain it off like that. So you want to get all of that excess egg off of it. Drain it off like that people. Then you put it in the flour. So we don't want the flour to lump up on the egg and the chicken. Soak in the flour like that, and then you just shake it off like that. All of that excess flour. Lovely people, lovely. Lovely. Hi guys, so I finished fry the chicken breast. So right now I'm just gonna make the sauce now to go with the chicken breast. So I'm gonna add a tablespoon of cooking butter. So 1 tablespoon of cooking butter people. Yeah, give that a stir. You wanna melt all of that butter out. Yes people, 1 tablespoon of cooking butter. Yes guys, I add in 1 tablespoon of cooking butter. Now I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of ketchup. 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Add in some soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Give that a stir. So when you stir up that ketchup and when you stir up that soy sauce, and mix it all out. Yes people, so the soy sauce and the ketchup and the butter, just give that a mix. So I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of honey. So 1 tablespoon of honey. You don't want to put in too much honey because the ketchup a little bit sweet and the honey is already sweet already, so you don't want to overcome it with the ketchup. Give that a stir. So now we're gonna add in the secret ingredients people, look at that. So add in 3 tablespoons That's it people, look at that. That's ready, people. That's ready. Alright guys, so now we're just gonna squeeze off a lemon. You can use lime if you cannot get lemon, or you can use lemon if you cannot get lime. It's optional. So when I mix in all of that lemon, so I didn't add no chicken season to this. I didn't add no black pepper or no garlic powder, nothing like that. So I'm gonna put all of the ingredients what I put in this in the description. Beautiful people. Hi guys, this is all finished, people. This is my French fry chicken breast. So I look up for the sauce already, so I serve it with some spicy sauce over there, people. So I'm gonna put all of the recipe in the description so you guys can check it out. So this is my French fry chicken breast in Selvin Kitchen, people. Please give me a thumbs up for the video. Please share the video with your friends and family. Selvin Kitchen. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Selvin Kitchen.